Well, hey, I'm Keeney. This is my channel. This is my garage. And most of what I do here is electrical and diagnostic videos. I'll also sprinkle in a few tool reviews, some homemade sensor things. I'll also occasionally do some monologues on my takes on a few topics, whether it's industry or business or culture of this type of environment and things related to it. But mostly electrical and diagnostic videos is what you're going to find. I am absolutely a scope whore, like through and through. I will use a scope on almost everything, even when it's really dumb and you don't need a scope for it, which really is most things, probably. I'm still going to use a scope on it. I love it. I'm an addict and I can't get enough of it and I can't get away from it. I don't know why. It just is what it is. But hey, at least I know this and I own it. So you can come along for these uh, either entertaining or lack of entertaining videos that I put out. I am a self-proclaimed knuckle dragger as well. I'm not really super crazy and good at filming and talking to cameras and whatnot, but hey, we're all on a journey together called life. And if my journey educates or entertains you, well, hey, I guess y'all are welcome to hang out. If not, I guess there's plenty of other people to choose from to go watch as well. But that's who I'm. That's who I am. That's mostly what I do. And if it suits your fancy, come on and hang out. If not, well, hey, nice meeting you. Catch you around. See ya.